Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to track your net worth with digits. Tracking your net worth with digit is a simple way to see your overall financial health. Once you link your bank accounts, credit cards, loans and other financial accounts to digit, the app then compiles all of this data to give you a real-time snapshot of your net worth. Digit calculates net worth by subtracting your total liabilities like debts and loans from your total assets, that's your cash, your investments and your savings. You can view your net worth trends over time in the app, which also helps you to understand exactly how your financial position improves or changes month to month. This feature makes it easier to set realistic goals and also to track your progress towards wealth building. Keep your accounts updated in digit to get the most accurate and useful net worth insights. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful digit guys. Like the video and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you in the next one.